Hi, my name is Will Young, and if you're watching this video, I have your student in forensic science, so either 6th or 7th block. So a couple things about myself, including my contact email there, W. Young. Um, I've been teaching forensics here essentially since it's been taught at North, which is only the last about 4 years. But I have been teaching it that whole time and really enjoyed the class. I think it's really interesting, good application of a lot of the biology and chemistry and even some physics that we learned throughout our high school curriculum. And of course, it's interesting. A lot of kids are interested in true crime, whether it's movies, podcasts, YouTube videos, you name it. There's some interesting stories out there, and we want to give them the science behind a lot of those interesting stories. In terms of what to expect in this class, most assignments are going to be done in class. So you won't see a lot of homework. Most days are either lecture or lab or both. And if they have to finish up maybe a conclusions paragraph or something like that, they may have to do that at home. So you may see them doing that, but for the most part, we don't have like daily homework. But those assignments, including labs, make up 35%, so a big chunk of their grade. Tests make up 50% of their grade. We do offer the students an opportunity to take their tests open note. There's a lot of information in forensics, so as long as they take good notes, they can use them on the test. But by the flip side is they have to remember to bring them. They have to make sure they're organized. I can't really help them beyond just allowing them to use the notes they have. 15% comes from a final project at the end of the semester. We'll talk more about that as the time comes a little closer. Attendance is really important. Now I'm out this week, and the reason you're watching a video is because I have COVID. So obviously I understand that sometimes things stand in the way of you being present, but as much as possible you want to be there, just because if we do a lab, some of the labs are difficult to make up. I'll always give them some opportunities to make up the labs, but I can't keep setting the labs up for months and months after we do them in class. So and ACT lab is not always available for different reasons. In case of an absence, make sure that have them check Schoology first, and if there's some confusion, of course, email me. If they need help or if they're missing a lab, ACT lab is a great time to do that, or come in after school. Hopefully they find it interesting so far. I hope to be rejoining them in the classroom the next couple of days. I am kind of on the tail end, hopefully, of this illness, and we'll be able to return to them. But I hope they've enjoyed the semester so far, and I think they'll find it more and more interesting as we go. We'll learn about fiber analysis, hair, DNA, blood spatter analysis, all sorts of different scientific techniques for collecting and analyzing physical evidence from crime scenes. So please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or specific concerns or things I need to know about your child. Otherwise, I'm happy. I've enjoyed getting to know them so far, and I look forward to a great semester. Thank you.